Hello, good morning, dear friends, and welcome back to our channel Fortune Forex Official. And as we are shooting this video as per weekly analysis, so we will definitely give you the support and resistance level for weekly basis, and we will conclude, weekly analysis. What happened yesterday in gold? What was the data? Why gold market crashed along with the other management. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get back to the chart. Okay, so this is a weekly gold chart, and yesterday I mentioned trend is super bullish, and if our resistance hit of 2930, then gold will try to reach up to 2942 at a lifetime high. And exactly if we see gold made a high of 2944 something and then retrace back, okay, from 40. Okay, so you can see I have clearly pointed this particular point, and from there it gold got just a rejection even after having positive data, even after having a retail sale, positive data for gold sellers pushing gold prices continuously down, and as a result of that gold crashed almost 45 points, you can see, from the top range. Okay, so you can see, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. These are the 7 week. Like from the last 7 week, continuously gold was trying to breach the upper side levels and making a lifetime high again and again. Okay, so as a result of that, I will be not very surprised that gold will again, continue the trend rally. Okay, in the next week as well. But how to do trade in the next week? And what will be the support and resistance level. Along with that, we will also cover that what are the important news, what will be the important news coming into the next week. Okay, so let me just show you why gold has came down. Okay, so this is 1 hour candle chart, and you can see it's a clearly a double top pattern. It's a clearly a double top pattern. See, whenever double top pattern made on the highest side, it's a a sign of you know going downtrend. Okay, it's a sign of a rejection. You can say sellers are heavily active. So whenever this kind of pattern happen in front of you, you have to take sell position until and unless this particular level will not breach. Okay, so if suppose you are going for a buy side, then you have to buy up to this level only until this level not breach. See, you can clearly see that there are 1 2 3 4 5. This almost like from the last 5 hours before gold crashed. Okay, gold is giving signal to all the buyers that it's not having a superb strength, and from there when the news came, gold push up, and from there it started coming down. Okay, so if we see, it made a double top pattern and it is coming down. Now let me show you the news. Okay, if we see, one sec, if we see yesterday. Okay, okay, so this was the news yesterday, a data that is of core retail sales and retail sales data, which surprisingly came positive for the gold prices. Okay, whenever actual is better than forecast, it is a good for currency. But when actual is coming in a more negative way, it will be bad for currency. So if it is bad for currency, then obviously gold is hedged towards USD, so it is but always that it was a positive data for gold prices. And you can see it's not a normal positive. It's a huge positive data, 0 point minus 2 0 0.9. There is a huge difference, okay, in the retail sales month on month. So because of that, the gold was already capitalize the situation, already capitalize the moment yesterday. Okay, that's why the operators played an important role, and from there gold crashed down, and all the buyers, those who are sitting here on this particular point, they hit their stop loss, and multiple stop losses hit yesterday, and as a result of that gold crashed almost 45 points. Okay, so the interesting point is that now how to do trade on Monday and what will be the next scenario in gold. See, if whenever you see, this is a daily chart of, by the way, whenever you see this kind of candle on a daily chart, it's a sign of trend reversal. It's a sign of trend reversal because this is a bullish, bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing candle. Okay, whenever this kind of candle happen, you need to understand that this is a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, now on a daily chart, gold came down here and break the last day support and try to close near to day before yesterday or day before 2 days before yesterday support. Okay, so now what will be the next scenario? I, as per my understanding, okay, as per my scenario, until until gold not gives not gives closing below 2850, we cannot we cannot assume it's a trend reverse. I am writing this only for intraday traders. Until gold will not gives a closing below 2850, we cannot assume it's a complete trend reversal and there is a high pressure in gold. What if on Monday that may be possible that gold will try to reach up here and make, one second, gold may try to made this kind of candle and buyers will push up price again and it will goes up to more lifetime high. That can be a possible situation. Okay, because this is an intraday chart. Okay, so what you can do is, let's get back to 1 hour candle chart. Okay, what you can do is, one second, let me just, yes, what you can do that, see, this is a 200 EMA. Okay, this is a 200 EMA. What you can do, you can expect a little bit of selling sentiments on a Asian session in Monday, because on Monday we have bank holiday in US session. Okay, bank holiday in US session we have. One second. Oh, yeah. So 17th of Feb, Monday, we have all day bank holiday in Canada and US at US time. So there will be a very less volumes in the evening and in morning basis in London session. There are so many data, but they all are a basic impactful data. Let's get back to Tuesday. Tuesday we have a cash rate and RBA monetary policy statement on in Australian dollar for Australian dollars. So you might be see in morning huge volatility. Okay, and in the evening, on Tuesday evening, we have CPI monthly data, that is for the Canadian dollar. So on Tuesday evening in US session, you might be seeing some kind of flex movement. Okay, now in the next day on Wednesday, there will be important data. Wednesday there are so many data in New Zealand and monetary policy in New Zealand, Australian dollars, and GBP CPI year on year data. That is also very important here. CPI data for GBP. Okay, so remember Wednesday London session will be a very crucial for you guys. And in the evening, sorry, on the late night on Wednesday late night we have FOMC meeting minutes. Remember, this is not a meeting, actual meeting, this is meeting minutes. Meeting minutes means whatever happened in the last meeting, it will conclude in this one. So this is all about the conclusion, what happened in the last meeting. Okay, so this is very important. There will be a kind of a reversal or maybe spikes will be happened into the gold chart and there will be a certain volatility for all the intraday traders. Okay, now if we talk about Thursday, on Thursday 20th Feb, we have very important data for the week, that is unemployment claims in the USD, that is in the US session. Okay, and in the next week, last day, Friday, that will again going to be a bloody Friday because there are so many data will be started in London session, in Asian session, and it will cover almost US as well because there are so many important data available on Friday. So how to do trade? Let's get back to chart again. If you see some kind of like potential movement from here in the month on Monday, if you see any kind of like potential buying from here, you need to avoid this because it might be possible that gold will goes up here and then again started continuously. coming down into retrace first this level, that is 2863, which happened on CPI, on the day of CPI. Okay, the day of CPI, this particular thing happened on CPI. Okay, yeah. So what you can do is either you can take a buy from this particular point, or I will suggest you to wait until gold will not reach this particular level, that is 2850, because you can see first, second, third, almost three times buyers pushing up the prices from here. So it might be possible that gold will give little bit of buyers a hint, and they will going to trap the liquidity, going to trap the buyers, and then price coming downside. Okay, and if this particular level breathes, then I am expecting a gold can go up to 2850. So this is the point where you can take a buy in on Monday or maybe on Tuesday. So buyers will get activated from 2850 or maybe from 2863 levels. So these are the good levels where you can take a buy. Okay, and if the trend will be continue to go, okay, if the trend will be continue to go, then you have an idea that what will be the stages that you can cover. Okay, so it might be possible that if gold will take a support from here, then it will goes up to 81 level, and then this is the level where we can expect again 2900 is obviously psychologically a good level to to take a target. But yeah, 2891 2890 will be working as a first resistance level. Okay, so let me just draw it for everyone of you. Okay, let me just mention it here. Okay, so the support will be this support. I am giving you all this support and resistance level as per the weekly basis. Okay, so the support will be 2850 first, sorry, 2863, and then second support is 2850, resistance is 2905, and then 2920. If this particular level breach 2905, then we can expect can go up to 2920. But it will be very hard for a gold to go beyond 2920 as of now, because the selling pressure is very high. You can see a selling pressure is very high yesterday, and I'm not surprised that gold will going to retest these levels before jumping up again to the lifetime high. And as sentimental wise, as technically, I'm telling you that trend continue to be still bullish. Trend is still trend is still bullish until gold will not give a closing, until a gold will not gives a closing below 2850. Okay, so if you have any kind of queries, if you have any kind of signals, if you need any kind of uh, like if you need any particular help, this is our fortune forex fortune signals admin. This is our telegram channel. Okay, you can message us here, you can join our telegram channel for all the refined information. You can join and like and subscribe our YouTube channel as well for all the daily updates. WhatsApp number is available, support number is available in the YouTube board description box. Okay, so you can message us here, and definitely we will going to help you. And if you need any information about the paid signals, about our service charges, about our packages of different signals, then you can message us on Fortune Signals underscore and admin. Okay. So till then, see you. Bye bye, guys, and see you on next week. And till then, happy weekends. Thank you.